In this video, I'll be showing you how to do an everyday makeup look. I'll also be reviewing a few products. Most of the products that I have are clean beauty. If you want to try it out, you can do so. I already moisturized my face. I'm gonna clip my hair back. All right, let's start this. First, I'm gonna be using this Honest Beauty Everyday Primer Glow. So I'm gonna shake it up. Apply a few drops. I always have problems with like clips. I don't know why. That's better. So I'm gonna try this Cover FX Cream Corrector in Peach. I haven't used this before. As you can see, I'm opening it. This color. Cute little peach. This is gonna help conceal some darkness. It also helps with redness as well. Gonna take my beauty blender. It says that it's buildable, so I think I'm just gonna add a little more. I'm just gonna use a brush. Next, I'm gonna try this Tinted Face Oil from Kosas. This is in shade 5.5. It's for medium with olive undertones. It's a featherweight, light to medium coverage foundation, and it's a hydrating face oil. So I have dry skin. This should help. Put a few drops. I also ordered this online, so I hope that my skin tone matches this tint, so we will see. Don't forget about your neck. I feel like people always forget that. So since this is an everyday makeup look, I'm gonna try and keep it as natural as possible. I don't like applying too much makeup anyways. I just wanna feel like it can breathe. So far, it does feel really lightweight and I like that. Next, we're going to try this concealer. It's the Kosas Super Creamy Brightening Concealer. This one is in shade 5.5. It's cute, little packaging. So I'm gonna go ahead and just focus on these outer edges. Okay, so far it looks good. I don't like to have too much of white under eyes, so I like that this tone blends in well with my skin tone. Next, I'm going to use this eyeshadow, Style Nanda. You can see, maybe I should have done this. And I'll probably use this color for my crease. I'm gonna be using this Sigma Tapered Blending Brush. I have to clean these, so don't mind. I'm gonna tap tap. And I'm just gonna go on my crease and blend. I like to bring it up here after, so I won't have a line or anything. Another helpful tip is if you want to have less coverage, you should hold the tip or the end of your brush instead of really close, because that's gonna give you a harsh line, and holding it on the end is gonna give you more of a soft look. So depends on your preference. I'm not gonna use eyeliner today, but I will use this color for like a smoky eyeliner look. And I'll be using this Sigma Short Shader brush. I feel like if you just add a little of this on your eyelid, it does give it a little pop. If you can tell. It's just super soft and cute. All right, now we're gonna move on to bronzer. This bronzer is from Kosas. It is the medium golden bronze. I'll just go ahead and use this large powder brush. I'm just gonna tap it in because it does have a lot with small stroke. Okay, so far it looks fine. Freaking hair. I'm gonna take it down to my jawbone, my neck. Just make sure you blend. It looks good so far. I think it depends on what brush you use. If you use a larger brush, you won't have so much product. Like if I were to use this brush, I'll probably pick up more product and it won't have a soft finish. Next, we are gonna move on to cheeks. I'm gonna be using this RMS Cream Blush. So I'll be using this dual fiber powder brush. It's from Sigma. You can use this on your cheeks, lips, eyelid, which is nice if you're traveling or just on the go. It has a pretty rosy tint to it. If you aren't using a brush and you're using your fingertips, I do recommend to just use a little bit because you can get a little carried away and just put more than you want. I like to apply a little blush on my nose just to have a little, and on my chin and forehead. It just gives it more of a sun-kissed look, you know? Next, I was thinking of using powder. You could if you want. I'll be using the Well People loose powder. I'm just gonna use a little just to set my under eye. So I'll just use my blending sponge. So as you can see, I'm just using really light amount. I want to achieve more of a glowy, dewy look. So as that's setting, I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyelashes. This mascara that I'll be using is the ILIA, not sure how to pronounce it. This is the After Midnight color Limitless Lash Mascara. I usually use volumizing mascaras, but especially for this look, since I wanted to just have more of a natural look, this is just gonna lengthen my eyelashes. Okay, so this is one coat on this eye. I'm gonna apply it two so you can see the difference. Okay, so this is two coats. It's super cute. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other. Okay, so that is two coats of mascara. So I'm gonna go in with this color. It's the same color that I use for my eyeliner, and I'm gonna apply it under my eyelid. Next, what am I doing next? I'm gonna go in with this Tata Harper Very Flashy Cream Highlighter. So it looks like this, super cute. Just gonna warm it with my fingers. I'll just do a little swab so you can kind of see. Actually, that's not gonna work. You just that. I'm gonna put it here on my cheekbones, Cupid's bow. So now I'm gonna blend. I don't really, for my eyebrows, I'm just gonna let them be. I don't really feel like I have to put anything on them. I'm just gonna use this to just brush them. Okay. Let's move it on. Okay, I think we're almost finished. I'm gonna just apply some lip balm. I need some color. So for my lips, I'm gonna use this Style Nanda lipstick. It's in this color. It's kind of like a fuchsia. I'm just gonna tap it in. I don't want too much. There, just a little. I'm gonna finish off with this high performance setting spray from Cover FX. See if it's any good. I'm not really a setting spray kind of gal, but I'm gonna give it a try today. All right, feels good. I wouldn't apply anything more. This is quick, easy. You know, if you wanna run some errands, you could do that. That's what I'm gonna be doing today. So this is the finished look. Simple, fresh, glowing. I hope you really I'll link all the products that I've used in the description below. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye!